Mr. Ambassador, you are being accused of being behind partly the arrest that took place in Zimbabwe last week. What's your response to that?
My response is that these accusations are absolutely ridiculous. I read the article yesterday morning in the Sunday Mail accusing me of having participated and, for instance, having met Pastor Mawarire. I have never met him. I've never talked to him. This is absolutely without any base. And so I just want to dismiss it and deny it in the most categorical way. I'm not here for that sort of thing. I'm here to support Zimbabwe and Zimbabweans. The week before these events, I was in Paris with Minister Chinamasa, engaging with the French Minister of Finance, engaging with French companies. Since I've been in Zimbabwe, I've been promoting Zimbabwe to French investors. Why would I enter into such turmoil? Why would I foment such? So this is totally ridiculous. I think there are more important things to do. I think that the authorities in Zimbabwe need to look into these acts of police brutality that we have witnessed, that have been filmed and published on social media. There is a problem between the police of Zimbabwe and the people of Zimbabwe that needs to be addressed by the authorities. And that's it. I mean, once again, I categorically deny having anything to do with the events last week, and these accusations are absolutely ridiculous. The authorities in Zimbabwe know and I think appreciate what I'm trying to do, what I'm doing to help the country, to help bring investors, growth, jobs to the country, to support the process of areas clearance started by the Minister of Finance. This is what I'm doing in Zimbabwe and nothing else.
Briefly, what do you think would be the reason for all these allegations?
I don't know. I mean, I am present on social media like all embassies and many people in Zimbabwe. So I comment things, I post things. Maybe some people don't like social media, don't like what is going on social media. That is their problem. Social media is part of life today in the 21st century. I also travel around Zimbabwe. I meet a lot of people. I traveled on the 4th of July. I traveled on the 6th of July because it is my mission as a diplomat to look at what is going on in the country and to inform my capital on what is going on. So I was traveling, I have traveled on these days, so maybe some people saw my car in Epworth or in Rua and thought that I was there to agitate, which is absolutely ridiculous. I was just looking at the situation in order to inform my authorities on what is going on in Zimbabwe.